In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Cisco Webex. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup and also a video about my PDQ setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading Cisco Webex executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to Cisco Webex download page. Here I will scroll down a bit, then I will click on visit our admin download page, and here I will select download the installer, and I will be using non-localized 64-bit version. So I will click on this link right here. It should start the download, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And now that I have my installation file, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. Here I will be opening File Explorer because I will be placing the installation file in a network share that is accessible to my computers. And for that I will click here. I will enter my file server name, it's SRV02. Here I have this software share, and in this share I will create another folder, and I will name it Cisco Webex. I will go inside of it and I will place the installation file here. And now we can start creating our package in PDQ Deploy. So I'll open PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages. Then I will select a new package. I will name the package Cisco Webex. Then let's click on steps, install. Here we need to provide our executable installation file, and for that I will click here. Then I will go to my file server once again by entering the name here, SRV02. Then let's go inside of the software share, Cisco Webex folder, and select the installation file. And now I will modify the value that we have for our command line because I want to add few more parameters. So I will select custom, and then I will select everything that we have after our file name. And then I will go to my GitHub page because here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I will copy this line, go back to my VMware workstation and paste in the value right here. And that's basically everything that we need to do for our package. So let's click on save. Let's close this window. Now let's click on deploy because I want to test our deployment, and let's select deploy once. Now let's select our targets by selecting choose targets, Active Directory, computers. And I will be deploying the package on my client 01 and also client 02. So I'll add the computers to this window right here. Then let's click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And that deployment is over. We can see our status messages right here saying that it was successful on both of our clients. Now let's double check by going to client 01 that I have here. We can see that we have our desktop shortcut for Cisco Webex. I will double click on it, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.